Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my dashboard faith layout. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I'm going to be decorating my faith planner for the week of December 16th through the 22nd. And I have a couple of sticker books here. Well, I have a sticker pack. This sticker pack is from Planning Press, and I may be using some quotes from there. And then I also have the Love Posh Winter Blooms. And I also have some stickers from Temu that I just picked up, and I wanted to use them in this spread. So these stickers here, I don't know if you've seen my Temu haul, but I just recently picked these up, and I wanted to use these dolls with these stickers here. And then I also have these well, this is a Bible verse, and then this one is just a saying, but these also came from Temu. So I just thought I would put them together with these pretty florals. Oh, it looks like I have another doll here too. I may use her as well. So that's what I'm planning to do today. And these have some boxes as well, or circles, some decorative boxes here. So let me go ahead. I'm going to take this out because it looks like it's already fallen. One is fallen. Oh, they're all fallen out. So I'm just going to take these two out. That way we don't have to mess with that book. I just realized I did not grab any other boxes, so we'll see if we're going to need them. If we do, then I will bring them in. But I did not take any boxes out. Don't mind this washi. It's still sitting there from my last plan with me. But let's go ahead and see what we can do with this spread. These stickers are so pretty, these florals. And they have a red in them because they have those holly berries in them. So I thought they would be really pretty in this spread. I So that's it, guys. I did go ahead and speed it up there and put some music on. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay creative, be gracious, and I will plan again with you soon.